You see expiration dates on products everywhere, but do you know what they actually mean for your wallet and safety? The word expiration implies an endpoint, but in the world of retail and food, it is often more of a suggestion than a rule. A massive portion of our grocery budgets literally ends up in the trash because of confusion over these printed dates. Most dates aren't federally regulated for safety, except for infant formula. They usually refer to when a product is at its peak freshness. It is important to distinguish between quality, which is about taste, and safety, which is about avoiding illness. Most dates you see on pantry items relate to quality, not safety. Trusting your senses is often a better guide than the ink. If a product looks, smells, or feels wrong, do not risk your health. No amount of money saved is worth a foodborne illness. Understanding dates helps you manage your budget better. Thanks for watching, and remember to check your pantry regularly.